STEM, a global leader in artificial intelligence-driven energy storage software and services, has been selected to provide smart energy storage solutions in Texas to available power. STEM has a strategic partnership with Texas Energy Storage, who will provide the STEM Athena smart energy storage software to energy storage systems at 100 FTM sites throughout the state. This project portfolio is expected to have a value of more than $500 million. The STEM Athena software will help energy storage systems manage their energy storage needs and create an efficient energy grid. Together, STEM and AP will be providing the state grid, operating under the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, ERCOT, with an additional 1 gigawatt (GW) or 2 gigawatt power (GWH) of flexible electric power for 20 years. ERCOT is responsible for delivering 90% of the state's electric power to more than 25 million people throughout Texas. The market for energy storage in ERCOT is expected to grow more than 10 gigawatt-hours over the next 5 years as renewable energy adoption increases and the state prioritizes grid resilience.